Hello guys, you welcome back once again to Accra in Focus. My name is Kojo and thank you so much for always checking me out on this channel. Please, if you are new here, do me a very big favor, subscribe, like this video, comment and share. So we are back again with another video. So Accra, Ghana is taking shape. So more life-changing projects happening here in Accra, Ghana, as the president of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Akuffo commissions a Nissan assembly plant here in Accra, Ghana. So this is what Akuffo wrote on his Facebook page as he commissions one of the largest car assembly plants here in Ghana. So His Excellency wrote this on his Facebook page, and I read: on Thursday, 31st March 2022, I commissioned the Nissan assembly plant located in Tema. This marks yet another important milestone in our quest to make Ghana a new manufacturing hub of Africa, and in particular realize our vision of becoming a leading player in the automobile industry in Africa. I am delighted that in the automobile sector, we have successfully attracted investment from a number of global iconic brands, including Volkswagen, that is VW, Toyota, and now Nissan. Other original equipment manufacturing groups, including Hyundai, Kia, and Isuzu, have also reached advanced stages of establishing commercial production facilities in Ghana. We will continue to design innovative policies to ensure the sustainability of the industry, including developing a vehicle financing scheme aimed at supporting the purchase of locally assembled vehicles. So that is what the President, His Excellency Nana Akuffo wrote on his Facebook page as he commissioned one of the biggest car assembly plants here in Ghana, and it is Nissan cars. So this is another good news for Ghana. Ghana is really taking shape. So if you are new to this channel, do me a very big favor. On this channel, we promote Africa, we promote Ghana to the world. So become part of this family by subscribing to this channel, and also hit on the like button if you like my video, comments and like for more. Peace out.